Welcome to Cocktail Archaeology, where we unearth classic drinks and bring them into the modern era. Today, the Crimean Cup a la Marmora. Now, supposedly, credit for this creation goes to Alex Soyer, a French chef from the early 1800s who was wildly popular in England. Apparently, he liked to make jams and jellies. Fast forward to the middle of the 1800s, and bartender Jerry Thomas used to like to translate Alex's jams and jellies into cocktails. Now, somewhere in this mix, the drink that resulted from one of those jams and jellies was named for Alfonso Ferreira, who apparently did some impressive things during the Crimean War in Sardinia. I'm not sure how any of that is connected, frankly, or what that has to do with making a great cocktail. But what I do know is that this unusual for the era combination of aged rum, cognac, orgeat syrup, maraschino liqueur, sparkling wine, that has all the makings of a great tiki drink. So bringing it into the future, I decided to turn it into a tiki drink. And it's kind of cool. We did have to pare it down a little bit because the original actually served 30 people. Now, I have a pretty good constitution. I'm not that good. So let's make an updated Crimean Cup a la Marmora. Now, we're going to start with lemon zest. And we're going to take a nice, long strip. There we go. I'm going to take our coupe. I know that's not classic for a tiki, but who cares? Run it right around. And then throw it in. We're good. Now let's make the drink. Now, this is a shaken cocktail. I'm going to start with 2 ounces of aged rum. They originally used Jamaican rum, but I'm not a big fan of that because it has kind of a sour note that overwhelms all the other ingredients. So there we go. There's our aged rum. Now we're going to throw into that 1 ounce of cognac. There we go. 1 ounce of cognac. And then we're going to throw in a ½ an ounce of orgeat syrup. This is just a sugar syrup that's flavored with almonds. There we go. It gives a nice viscosity to the cocktail. And finally, a ¼ ounce of maraschino liqueur. Give it those fruity notes that we want in the tiki. And by the way, the orgeat syrup is actually a very classic ingredient in tiki cocktails, which didn't come around for at least another 100 years, but who knows. All right, that's it. We're going to shake this. Strain it into our coupe. All right, and then we finish it off with about 1½ ounces of sparkling wine. I'm not even going to measure it. Who cares? Close enough. And this is an updated Crimean Cup a la Marmora. Whatever it had to do with the Crimean War, I don't know, but it is now a delicious tiki cocktail. Fruity, sparkling, strong, everything you want in a tiki.